At captain Nasila Silla in the second row, Wanga, Salawa and Tuwai in the back row are going to be busy. Fines Leilawasa, Armstrong, Ravula 9 and 10, so important. Vakatava and Samu Vondri.
Further up the ladder in 2026, the Drua looking to create maybe the biggest upset of the season. We're underway at Joyo Stadium as Meredith sends the kickoff long down in the direction here of Shaw. Off to the Golden West tonight for the Western Force up against the Crusaders. Another penalty goes to the Drua, so the errors compound here for the home side. Togitama, little pop ball short to Tua, that's a good carry. Manzale Wasa invites Mayana Vanua, the captain, into the action. But Reimer's there, and Reimer looks to have won it back. He has for the Brumbies, but it's rolled back by the Drua. So lost on the ground there, and now it's the Fijians who power upfield. Picked off. Lonigan whips it wide to Valentini. Reimer. Oh, that's a
first touch, first space.
Ooh. Free kick, drew up. Didn't quite get the call there from Dolman. Referee James Dolman finds Lelewaso with runners. And the Drua putting it through the hands and looking good in the build-up here. Basialo within 10. Reimer goes in and can't hang on to it. Still there for the Drua. They're under a penalty advantage as well. Finds Lelewaso. They pull the pass. Armstrong Ravula going over the top here. They get it to the edge. Matayele.
Yeah, that's an excellent reaction.
Breaks the 15.
Well done, Fiji and Drua. They find space, long passes. Brumbies guilty of drifting inside 22, watching ball get outside them. It's a couple of bodies at the line here, and a long looping pass frees up some space. Brumbies losing connection in defence.
Very rare attempted penalty goal in 2026. It's a beautiful strike though, off the boot of Armstrong Ravula. Rare but good for the Drua, and they are now up. Dragged it down for the home side. What can they do with it on the counter? Slipper, right, through the hands. Tool. Pritchard looks at Sapsford, now goes to him. Sapsford goes back infield. Has Reimer there alongside him. That's a good tackle from Mayana Vanua, who's now caught out of it. Lonigan darting off close to the ruck. Valentini now. Lonigan whipping it wide to right. Alatoa intercepted. Off goes Manasa Matayele. He's got two in the Drua further in front.
Well, you couldn't write the script any better. That's exactly what this team does. There are two things you want to see from a team: value possession, value points. They signalled early how important points are. They took 3, they didn't go for touch. Then they get off the line, they want possession, they want this ball back. Superb play, excellent reading, and it's come from being in control of this match for large parts. That's what they do, Morgs.
But it was a smart decision. It wasn't a risky one. They had numbers in behind. They had good communication. They were well set up. This was the right play. Get up in the eye line of Meredith, put him under pressure, and then also go for the big play. And that's exactly it when it sticks in that left mid. Outstanding play from the...
Such experience, and it's helped set up an easy shot on goal for Armstrong Ravula, and it is.
He's looking at the ball. Play the ball.
Fonzale Wasa sends it away. There's Vakatawa with a little offload to Samu Vondre. That's vintage Virumi. And now Matayela is on the wing.
Leave it.
Super hands there. Really enjoying themselves here on a cold night in Canberra. Mayana Vanua bashing his way up towards halfway. Wonga.
Use it.
Good ball placement back here for Fainzale Wassa.
Stay on.
It's a tricky one down that left side. Oh, it's going to fall for the Fijians. Tony Atama caught by Toole. He pops back. It's gone forward. It's a penalty to the Drua. They tap, they go, and they score. It's Fainzale Wassa, and the Drua are running hot.
Well, they are up in the stands. The Fiji supporters here are singing and dancing, and that man is controlling the game at the moment. He's gone to the air when he's had to. He's released the ball to Armstrong Ravula. Very clever here. Get a contestable kick up high. Toole juggles back, and of course, from there, it's all about being ahead of the game. The Brumbies have been behind the game for most of this first half.
Right, yeah, but there's a try scored, so we don't have to follow through that.
How good from Tongi Atama following.
Right, shaping the pass, holding it one-handed. And it's hard to know what to make of that. On the ladder, that is Armstrong Ravula, who gets us restarted. It's been a strange old night in the capital as Valentini carries strong from the restart. Armstrong Ravula make it an 11-point lead. The contact's good, and if you're a Drua fan, so is the result.
Meredith could have scored himself, had to do a better job of the draw and pass, and then the pop. They've done it double butcher.
We've rarely seen double butcher. Wow, okay. Toole shooting it back. Here come the Drua. Look out. Vakatau with a little late offload in contact. Fainzale Wassa, Matayele, Armstrong Ravula, crossfield kicking here. Sampson's out of position, and off go the Drua. Further in front they go. Kuravoli's in, and one of the all-time upsets is going from simmer to boil.
Well, that's outstanding use of space and vision. Get on the loose ball, Kuravoli there. I want to have a look at his positioning when ball comes off boot, but that is the peril of tap back to 50-50 ball pass. Fiji and Drua light up when they get open space. Has a look up. Accuracy of this kick, Morgan Turinui, is outstanding.
Oh, it's quite simply as good as it gets. The work in the air, that's where they've won lots of battles, but they're just to have the eyes up.
But he is still the tackler and has a responsibility to be low into that tackle zone. So it's yellow card and off-field review.
Don't agree with that. Play safety and head-on-head.
With just over 2 to play. Vakatawa gets it round the corner. Here comes Valentini. His brother's there to stop him. And Armstrong Ravula will wisely soak up as much time as he can. And he floats through the conversion, and they lead by 5. We're into the final minute. The Brumbies have got to stick the throw, and they do. So now they look to roll it. It goes down. James Dolman says it's come down by White. Is this the game? No. The ball's there at the back. Oh, that is the game. Draw win. The draw win. It's the biggest upset in Super Rugby Pacific history. They've taken down the Brumbies in Canberra. Tosso Drua, Tosso.